大家好，我是 Eddie， 欢迎来到你好汉语。What's up, my Eddie gang? Welcome to another episode of Nihao Chinese, which is a fun Mandarin learning channel hosted by the amazing me, EddieG. Well, every time you see my intro and you see a whiteboard here, you know what EddieG is gonna teach. That is Chinese characters. And for you guys, EddieG bought a bigger and nicer whiteboard. You remember in the previous episodes, the board is too damn small, right? And then I got this brand new one just for my Eddie gang, for you guys. In today's Chinese character series, I decided to teach you guys some direction words. This topic is going to be very important and useful. Imagine you are asking for directions or you are just checking signs on the streets and roads. If you don't know these words, you will get in trouble. If you haven't watched the very first episode of this series and you don't know the general rule of writing Chinese characters in the correct order, I suggest you go back and watch that first. With that being said, let's get started. 我们开始吧. Today's first character I will teach is up or top. In Chinese, it is called 上. Let's try to write again. 上. And the pinyin is S-H-A-N-G with the fourth tone. 上. 上. That means up or top. 上, this character only has 3 strokes. That's 1, 2, and 3. We start with the first vertical and then horizontal here, horizontal here. Let's try again. And vertical, horizontal, horizontal. 上, this word literally means up or top. However, you know in Chinese, we sometimes combine different Chinese characters together to make this word have a better sense. What I want to say is that 上, if you see this character, you know it means up, right? But how to make it more natural and colloquial? You say 上面. Now I'm going to write 面, this character, because 面 literally means face. Now let's write 面, this character, okay? Well, for this character, it is a little bit complicated. So I finished the writing. You guys will be like, what the heck? The pinyin for this character is M-I-A-N with the 4th tone. And be careful, the falling tone falls on A, this letter, okay? 面, 面, 面. That means face or surface or just like side. Okay, just now I told you to combine 上 and 面 together. 上面, that means up. Let's break down this character. Horizontal, falling, vertical, horizontal, vertical, hook. Vertical, vertical, horizontal, horizontal, and you close the shape with the last horizontal line. And that is 面. 面. That means face. I just forgot. It could also be like noodle. You see, for Chinese characters, each character might has different meanings. Now, how do we say up or top in a more natural way? Remember, we just learned the character 上, right? If you combine 上 and 面 together, it becomes 上面. 上面, that means top or the upper place. Now let's write the 2 characters together. And you guys take out a piece of paper and your pen to practice with Teacher.Eddie. Let's start. 上面 See? Let's try the second time. And when you write the characters, please repeat after me, okay? I will say the names of different strokes. Vertical, horizontal, horizontal. Horizontal, falling, vertical, horizontal, vertical, hook. Vertical, vertical, horizontal, horizontal, and you close the shape with horizontal. Do you think in the middle of this square, it looks like a ladder, right? It looks like a ladder. Do you still remember how to read these two characters? Let's write the pinyin again. Shang with the fourth tone. Mian also with the fourth tone. Together. Shang Mian. Shang Mian. Shang Mian. Shang Mian. That means up or on the top. The next character we're gonna study is bottom or down. It looks like this. It's done. And how to pronounce it, it's called 下. 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 下 with the fourth tone, XIA, and then the falling tone signal is the symbol, is here. Now, 下, it means bottom or down. Let's try to break down the strokes. Please write after me. 下. 下. Okay, and let's say the stroke names. Horizontal, vertical, falling. Very short falling. You guys remember just now we learned a character called mian, right? Mian means face. Now, how do we say, down or at the bottom in a more natural way? We need two characters. Not only 下 this character, we need 面 together. You say 下面. Now I'm going to write 下面 and you guys can practice with Eddie. 下面下面 Okay, try again. 下面下面 Try the last time and say the stroke names out with me. Horizontal, vertical, falling. Horizontal, falling, vertical, horizontal, vertical, hook. Vertical, vertical, horizontal, horizontal, and horizontal to close the square. 下面, 下面. Now let's learn before or in the front, and the character is 前, 前, 前. Looks like this. Whoa. Looking difficult? Don't worry, I'll break it down. The pinyin is Q-I-A-N, 前, with the second tone, 前. Actually, if you pronounce 前, I would think of another character, money, because Teacher.Eddie loves money. So if you say 前, I don't think of in front or before. I think of money. I love money. Okay, anyway, just like I said in the previous videos, even the pinyin sounds the same. We can write different characters having different meanings, yeah? But for here, in the very context and with the character here, it means in the front or before. Now, 前, this character, we need to break it down. Right? Once again, let's say the stroke names. Falling, falling from another direction. Horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, hook. horizontal, horizontal, vertical, very short, and vertical, a little longer, and hook. Okay, now 前. How do we say in the front or before in a more natural way? You remember the character stands for face. I just told you. That's 面, 面, right? And you need to combine 前 and 面 together to make yourself sound more natural when you want to say in the front or before. Okay, let's write 面, this character again. You guys might notice that in today's episode, I think today's episode is 3, the third episode. You already start to learn some really difficult characters, but don't worry. I believe that if you keep learning, you will become better. 前面, let's write it together. 前面. Okay, one more time. 前面面. Good. And that means in the front or before. Well, the final pair we're gonna learn, of course, is gonna be left and right. Let's start with left. Left is 左 左 左. Okay, 左, that is left. And the pinyin is Z, U, O with the third tone. 左 左 左 左. That means left. And if you want to make yourself sound more natural with this character only is not enough. Okay, like I said, just now we learned the character 面, which means face, right? However, for 左, this character, you can, I can't say you cannot combine 面 with this character. What I want to say is that it doesn't sound very natural. That's why I'm going to teach you another character that literally means side. And the character is like this. 边. This character literally means side, okay? I'll write the English here. And the pinyin is B-I-A-N with the first tone. 边 边 边. Well, if you combine 左 and 边 together, if you conjugate them, it becomes much more natural if you say these two characters together rather than only saying 左, this one. Make sense? Let's practice how to write 边 again. 边. Okay. 边. Let's break down the strokes for 边, this character. Look closely. Horizontal, vertical, and hook. And falling, a very long falling. Falling, very short, and then horizontal, falling, horizontal, falling, and falling. But it looks like not falling too much, okay? But it looks like this. Let's try again. 边. Let's try to write 左 and 边, these two characters together. 左 边 左 边. My God, I'm so sweaty. I don't have a goddamn AC in my bedroom. 左边 左边, that means on the left. And I told you, if you add 边, which literally means side, this character, if you put them together, it makes you sound more natural if you want to express on the left. What about on the right? first of all, let's learn how to write this character. That's you. 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 The pinyin is Y-O-U with the fourth tone. You. You. That means the direction right, on the right. Let's break down the strokes. Yo. And this time, let's say the stroke names out while we are writing it. Horizontal, falling, vertical, horizontal, vertical, hook, and then you close the shape, okay? Well, actually, I remember I told you in the previous character series, I said if you write this stroke, you actually can ignore this little hook, because even if you don't write the hook, I can understand. But you guys are beginners, you're learning Chinese characters, so I should teach you the right way. You still need to write this little hook, okay? So you see a little hook here. And how can we make us sound more natural if you want to say on the right? With only this character, it is not enough, you know? We have to say 边, which means side. Now let's write 边, 边, 边. And now let's write 右边 together. Let's practice. Got it? Wonderful, now you guys know how to write Chinese characters of different direction words. We studied 上面, 下面, 前面, 后面, 左边, 右边, these 6 phrases in this lesson. You should really give yourself a round of applause because it is not easy, okay? Chinese characters, I mean, so tough. But luckily, you have Teacher.Eddie. If you liked today's video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to like my videos, to share, to comment, and spread this video to Chinese language lovers. I will see you guys very soon in the next episode. 好了，今天就到这里了，我们下次见，再见。